Welcome back after our short advert break. Let us continue with our lesson. Our next question, we are saying that Matthew came across an advert and repayment schedule for a microloan while searching the internet. He needs cash urgently and is considering applying for a microloan. Right? Use the information in the table to answer the questions. Right? So let's see what is our table indicating. So here we have our repayment period. On top, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24, up to 24 months. Then we have our loan amounts on our left-hand side, 15,000, 25,000, and 35,000. Guys, as you can see, there's also a fine print in this microloan table, right, that we say all repayments include a once-off initiation fee of 16.5% of the principal debt and a service fee of 75 Rand per month for the term of the loan. Okay, so there's our important information. So the first question, it says, read the fine print and calculate the initiation fee charged on the principal debt of 15,000. Show all your calculations. Right, now there we have our table, and it says all repayments include a once-off initiation fee of 16.5% of the principal debt. Right, now what is our question? It says read the fine print. I just did. What should we calculate? The initiation fee charged on the principal debt of 15,000. Here we see initiation fee is 16.5%, and we must show all our calculations. So therefore, I'll indicate then it's 16.5%. So I'll write it as 16.5 over 100 multiply by the principal debt, in this case is 15,000. Multiply by 15,000, so 16.5 divided by 100, multiply by 15,000. And guys, I want you to work with me, do this, get familiar with your calculator. So that will give us 2,475 Rand. That is now our initiation fee of 16.5% that's already included in this principal debt. Guys, are we clear? Let us look at another question. Question number 2. What would this microlender earn in interest on a principal debt of 35,000 repaid monthly over 2 years? Right? Show all your calculations again. So if I go, there's our same table, right? The repayment period. And we also should note that what is the question at hand? We must know the interest on a principal debt of 35,000, right? Also important, it's repaid over 2 years. So there's my principal debt, 35,000 Rand. We agree? Okay. Repayment period of 24 months. So what are we saying? If you borrow 35,000 Rand and you pay back the money over 24 months, this is the total that you will need to pay back. Right? So are we all fine on that one? But we would like to know what is the microlender earning on interest. Right, but also clear to note is that all this repayment, right, include initiation fee as well as a service fee, right, and that must be taken into account when we do the next calculation. So I'll start off by indicating, let's first work with our initiation fee. Do it here. So our initiation fee, right, that will be, remember, as indicated, it's a once-off. It's 16.5% of the principal debt. So that will be 16.5% of, in this case, it's 35,000 Rand. Our principal debt, right? So I'll calculate that, 16.5 divided by 100, multiply by our 35,000. Initiation fee then is 5,775 Rand. 5,775 Rand. Also included here is our service fee, right? And please note, it's 75 Rand per month for the term of the loan. Remember, the term of this loan in this context is 24 months. So therefore, I'll indicate it as service fee. Right, so what will the service fee be? It is 75 Rand multiplied by 24 months. Guys, I hope we are clear on this one. So it's 75 multiplied by 24. This will give us 1,800 Rand. I hope you are still following. So now I can say what will be the interest, right? So therefore, to see what the interest will be, I'll do the following. I'll take the total amount to be paid back, 51,845 rand, minus my principal debt here, right? Remember, I'm paying back the money I've borrowed, 35,000, minus, right, our initiation fee, 5,775 rand, minus the service fee. Remember, we said it's included already. All repayments include, it's there, minus the 1,800. So the rest will be our interest. The interest the micro lender will earn. So therefore it will be 51,845 rand minus 35,000 minus your 5,775 rand minus your 1,800. So this will give us a total of 9,000. Let's just fix that. 9,270 rand. And this is what the micro lender will earn as interest. Okay, I hope that's clear to all of you. I took the total repayment minus the money that I've borrowed, 35,000, minus the initiation fee, minus the service fee, and that will give me then the interest right at the end. Okay, all right, let's look at another question. Question number 3 says, use your answer to question number 2 to calculate the interest rate, right, rounded to 1 decimal place charged per month on this loan. All right, so that is what is given to us. So remember, we calculated now that the interest the microlender will earn, okay, on this microloan is 9,270 rand. The amount of money we are borrowing is 35,000. We need to calculate the interest rate, meaning it must be a percentage. So therefore, I'll go and I say, the 9,270 rand, that's the interest, the amount of money. It's an amount, not a percentage as yet, right? Divided by 35,000, the amount that I've borrowed. Now, since I want a percentage, I will multiply by 100. So I take the 9,270 divided by 35,000, multiply by 100. So that will give me an answer of 26,4871429%. But guys, what else is important in this specific question? It says rounded to 1 decimal place. So therefore, I go and I indicate now, it should be 26, right? So when it says 1 decimal place, I look at the second digit after our decimal. That's more than 5. So therefore, the 4 will change to a 5. So the interest rate in this case will be 26.5%. Okay, guys, I hope that's clear to you. Let's see what else is here in store for us. We have a question 4, and the question 4 says, what percentage of the total amount on the loan of 35,000 to be paid or repaid is charged in service fee and initiation fee? So all your calculations, right? Now, remember, it says of the total amount on a loan of 35,000. So what if we take out the loan of 35,000? This is the total amount. What else is important? We would like to know what percentage. So your answer should be in percentage form. Now I'm going to take you back. Remember, we said the service fee, right, is where we calculated 75 multiplied by the 24 months. That gave us 1,800. You can double check. So I'll take the 1,800 service fee plus. We also calculated that the initiation fee, right, is 16.5% of the principal debt. Now let's quickly run back and see what is the initiation fee. Just quickly want to work with us here. If you look, there is our initiation fee. Okay, so I'm going to plug that in because we would like to know initiation fee as well as the service fee. So that is 5,775 rand of the total amount. What is our total amount? 51,845 rand. Right, I'm going to read the question again to give you perspective. It says, what percentage of the total amount on a loan of 35,000 to be repaid is charged in service fee. There we get our service fee and initiation fee. And there's our total amount. One other thing that's missing, it should be in percentage form. So therefore, I will multiply this by 100. Now let's type this in. 1,800 plus 575 Rand. Okay, this total I'll divide by 51,845. And since I want a percentage, I'll multiply by 100. So therefore, it will give me 14,61. And I'll stop here. Percent. I'm not rounding off to any place because the question was not specific. So the percentage in this case is 14,61%. Guys, I hope that's clear. Let us quickly take a short break. After the break, we'll wrap up this lesson. See you now.